Welcome to 8608 Arley Drive in Springfield, Virginia. This is a beautifully maintained property, updated with a huge primary bedroom suite addition located in the Rolling Valley community of Springfield, Virginia. It's zoned for top Fairfax County Public Schools, West Springfield High School, Irving Middle School, and Hunt Valley Elementary School. In 2021, the kitchen was renovated with new granite countertops and beautiful refaced white 42-inch cabinets. In 2020, there was a new HVAC system including an electronic UV light filter and humidifier, gas furnace, and electric AC. In 2017, the addition was added to include a primary bedroom and bathroom suite addition with 2 closets, a sitting area, dual sink granite-topped vanity and luxury walk-in shower with a frameless door, ductless HVAC system for the addition, and the roof as well. Additionally, in 2017, hardwood floors were placed throughout most of the property on the top and bottom levels, new gutters on the front and back side of the house, and there was a new water heater put in place. In 2015, the roof was replaced with architectural shingled roof and all new sheathing as well as insulation in the attic. In 2015, there was a new front door, storm window, as well as 2009 new double pane, double hung windows. Both the upper and lower bathrooms were renovated in the last 6 years. New carpet was put in place in the living room just in time for this listing. You can telecommute from the office off the dining room. And outside, this property features a 6-zone sprinkler system with beautiful landscaping in both the front and back. You can enjoy the exterior of the property with Trex deck and benches built in 2013 and complete with lighting, deck canopy, powder and patio perfect for a fire pit. The fenced rear yard has a back gate to Hunt Valley Elementary School grounds. You're 1 mile to the Sydenstricker Park and Ride and commuter lot, convenient to Fort Belvior and the Pentagon bus routes and more. For more information, contact the Focus on Nova team today.